Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just under 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen, we can access our setup, media, radio, button settings, navigation and map. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel in the middle.